Movie lovers, get ready for an epic home theater experience. To make your setup sound as good as it looks, let's explore the best soundproofing materials for home theaters and keep noise in or out. First, block airborne noise. Mass-loaded vinyl is a heavy hitter. Dense and flexible, it stops sound from escaping walls or entering from outside. Install it behind drywall for a serious sound barrier. Pair it with green glue between two drywall layers to boost your STC rating, muffling even loud subwoofers. Next, tame echoes. Acoustic foam panels like wedge or pyramid styles absorb mid and high-frequency reflections for crystal-clear audio. Place them strategically on walls to kill flutter echoes and enhance dialogue clarity. For floors and ceilings, tackle impact noise like footsteps. Soundproof mats or cork underlayments under carpets dampen vibrations. For ceilings, resilient channels decouple drywall to stop sound from traveling upstairs. Don't forget doors and windows. Use soundproof curtains or door sweeps to seal gaps. Every crack counts. Fill them with acoustic cork to keep your theatre immersive. Ready to transform your movie nights? Visit arrowzoom.com/collections/wedge for top quality acoustic foam wedge panels. Easy to install and perfect for home theaters, ArrowZoom's panels deliver pro-level sound control. Shop now and make every scene epic.